13 for Silence Disco. So our app mainly focuses on commuters who use public transportation, for example, AC Transit or BART. So the problem is they feel like commuting alone is kind of lonely and they're disconnected from their fellow riders. Furthermore, finding new music could be really difficult. And there are existing apps, for example, Spotify, but it's more like music provider. It doesn't let you to share the music really together. And Django Radio does let everyone listen to the same radio station, but it doesn't support enough customization. So there we go. We have Silence Disco. We wanted to connect people through music, and everyone could be a DJ and create their own party. It's a short demo, for example, this one. If you register using the same username, it's going to prevent you and give you a warning toast. And the black screen just flashed loading screen. It's Spotify API logging. If you use this app for the first time, you have to enter your Spotify account. Let's try to join a party. So there are about like 10 party stored in our Firebase here. The trending party are the party that is very hot, sorted by the number of people. And in the all party, you could either sort it by distance or sort it by number of people, so they show the same result. There's a rule: you can only join the party that is 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer away from you, because we want to connect the people in the BART, right? So that makes sense. So let's try the Night in Bay. This one looks very interesting. Confirm. Yeah, it's playing one more time here. You can start the music, resume the music, open it in Spotify. Let's go back. And you can slide up to see your previous favorite songs here. And you can like this song to store it. Yeah, there's one more time pop up here in our song list. You can also check your favorite song in your user profile page. It is here. Let's listen to, for example, Let It Go. I think it's by Frozen. Oh, okay, it's from James Bay. Yeah, there are also audience here. There shows the current audience in the room. So let's try to create a party. So if we create a party, we can put the name to be, for example, today is March 13, and I still want to Let It Go from Frozen. Here we have a Spotify search API. There's a autocomplete view. We can search and get the result. Let It Go from Frozen, make it public, and let's create a party. Yes, as you can see, March 13 is created here. Let's try to use another user to join March 13. For example, Carrie, sign in, join party. Yes, we can see March 13, and it's playing Frozen. Okay, so finally, let's try to create a private party. For example, private party 1, genre pop, Let It Go. This is another Let It Go, and make it private. So it will generate a random hash number, and you cannot see it from the join party page. It is not there. So what if we use 1672222 to log in? Yes, we are here again. And finally, we have a help screen that helps the user if they get stuck. The help screen is everywhere. You can enter it everywhere. Implementation, our app has lots of backend, heavy backend. So the regular data like user and party are stored in Firebase. And we also have the Google Location API like our homework. We have the Spotify API that is web-based. So it kind of taking charge of query the data, search the songs, and search the user. But how do we play the music? We use Spotify Remote Control. It's an Android SDK. So let me illustrate. For example, we are playing Big Band's Loser. But if you look at the Spotify app, yeah, it is actually Spotify playing it. So by using this remote control, we can control a Spotify app. We can stop it, go to next one. You can actually control the Spotify in any platform by this app, iOS, MacBook, and PC. And for the evaluation, here are things that we have already improved. The first one is fat finger problem. So notice the join party page. Originally, it is like this. It's kind of plain, right? So we make the cell bigger. We also have a dialog for it. For example, this one. Yeah, and then you can confirm it and cancel it if you accidentally click the wrong one. Also, we have lots of web requests. So if web is slow, connection is not stable, it's going to be a problem. You probably got a non-pointer, non-object, and your object will crash. So we use lots of callback and use intent to make sure that it is done step by step. Some user says they don't know what this page is about. So we use a help screen everywhere. It's visible everywhere. So it kind of help you and navigate you if you get stuck. And finally, some user give us the feedback that they are easily get trapped in some screens. So for every screen, we make a back button. And there is a back button too. There is a back button. There is also a back button. So we make sure that our logic are really flat and every screens are only no more than 2 screens away from each screen. Finally, what we can do, we could make tablet compatible. We should make responsive layout for the tablet. And another function is the veto button here. We already want a veto button in the party room. So for example, 40% of audience vote no for this song, then this song will be cancelled and skip to the next song. This could be an upgrade, an interesting feature. Another thing is the support for more third-party music apps. So currently we support Spotify, but in the future we probably want YouTube Red, Pandora, and other app too. Thank you for the great semester, and thanks for all of my teammates.